Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can merge your videos on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that, we have to create an account on Adobe Express, and after that, we have to click on the document section, and after that, we have to click on the view all, and after clicking on the view all, as you can see, all the options are provided here. And now simply we have to click on the merge video. So let's click on the merge. After clicking on the merge, as you can see, now we need to click on the browse section, and after clicking on the browse section, we have to select the videos and which videos we want to use. For example, I want to use this one, and after that we have to select another one. For example, I'm going to select these both. After that we have to click on the open, and after clicking on the open, it will take few seconds or few minutes in uploading your video. So as you can see, the videos are uploaded. So as you can see, the both videos are uploaded. If you want to add any other video, you can also do that. You have to click on the add media, and after that, as you can see, some other options are provided here. If you want to trim these videos, you can also do that. If you want to mute these videos, you can also do that. If you want to click on the fill screen, duplicate, delete, these all options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do that. In the mute section, if you click on the mute section, it will be mute. So as you can see, the size is also provided here. If you want to choose the size, or if you want to change the size, you can also do that. Like the landscape, portrait, square, all the sizes are provided here. And after doing these all, you have to click on the download, and the video will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.